Welcome back to our new video, friends. Today we are going to talk about how can you lock all apps once time, guys. You want to lock, guys, all apps, so guys you can lock all apps in once time in Redmi 10 phone. Today I'm going to tell you about this setting in Redmi 10 phone, guys. We will talk about it, this setting in Redmi 10 phone today. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now time to start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting, scroll this guys and come on guys app, click on Applock, draw your pattern, and guys you can see this icon setting, guys. This click on this icon and guys you can see lock all apps, and guys lock all apps. So guys whatever app and guys which app guys you will open, you will have to draw your pattern. Open any app guys like music. So I hope, friends, you have understood how to lock all apps once time in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.